Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable margin trading in Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is to open your Robinhood application. And then all you will need to do is just to make sure that you are eligible to trade in Robinhood. That means that you have completed your signing up, you verified your identity, and you have funds inside Robinhood. After that, you will be needing to apply for or just to go to your profile, and then you will be needing just to go to the menu. So from the menu, you will have many options. Then you will need just to click on investing. Basically, I do not have it here since I'm not eligible to trade in Robinhood. So here you will go to the three icons or three bar icon. You click on investing, and basically you will find many green buttons as this one. You will need just to search for the one that says disable margin trading or margin in Robinhood. You click on the button. You will need just to confirm your choice. Then you confirm, and basically you will have your margin that has been disabled. And of course, you can re-enable your margins again. Otherwise, if you want to remain or to have your Robinhood margin that is enabled, but you want just to switch the account from margin account to uh, the cash account, you will need just to go to investing again or into accounts, and then you will go down and switch accounts to switch to cash accounts, and basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.